In the intricate world of project management, the role of a project manager is central, fraught with challenges. Today, we'll explore the key hurdles that both aspiring and experienced project managers face. Crucially, time management and resource allocation take center stage, weaving a complex pattern of deadlines, priorities, and often scarce resources. Picture a scenario where each tick of the clock amplifies the pressure and resources are elusive. It is under such pressure that the true capabilities of a project manager are tested. How does one wisely allocate limited assets while honoring strict timelines? These complex situations are not merely operational challenges, but defining moments for projects. This overview sets the stage for a deeper discussion on effective strategies to master these challenges, showing you how adept management transforms obstacles into opportunities for growth. Mastering project management involves more than dedication. It requires specific, effective strategies to overcome common pitfalls like time constraints and resource shortages. Let's now examine how top managers efficiently handle these issues using strategic insight and best practices. Effective time management transcends simple scheduling. It's an art of prioritization and flexibility. Leading managers employ techniques to create buffers and plan for unexpected delays, keeping projects on track. Optimal resource allocation is equally essential. By leveraging resource strengths, managers not only meet but often surpass project goals. Numerous case studies validate these approaches, offering practical blueprints for diverse scenarios. These insights not only outline potential successes, but also demonstrate achievable pathways. Coming up, we'll share real-world success stories that exemplify the considerable impact of proficient project management. As we conclude our exploration of project management, let's draw inspiration from seasoned professionals who have excelled in this dynamic field. Their real-world success stories highlight the significant impact of adept project leadership. Seasoned managers share how integrating core skills, such as decisive communication, thorough planning, and team coordination, propelled their projects to success and fostered environments ripe for innovation. These narratives underscore the transformative power of strategic thinking and highlight essential project management skills in action. For both new and experienced managers, these stories are instructive. They demonstrate essential strategies like meticulous resource allocation and managing complex team dynamics, guiding us not only to manage, but also to lead projects with vision and integrity. As every project brings unique challenges, these strategies outline pathways for you to create your own success stories in the ever-evolving landscape of project management.